Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Not here to earn money. No greed for CM's chair, says Kejriwal. Former Delhi CM and Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday said that he resigned because he has no greed for CM's chair and had joined the politics for the country. Arvind Kejriwal asserted that he is not a politician and the allegations have affected him. Addressing Janta Ki Adalat at Jantar Mantar, Kejriwal said, I resigned because I did not come here in politics to do corruption. I don't have any greed for CM's chair. I did not come here to earn money. I used the work in income tax. I couldn't could have earned crores if I wanted to earn money. I came in politics for country, for Bharat Mata to change country's politics. These politicians don't care about allegations. They got thick skin. I am not a politician. I do care when the BJP calls me a thief or corrupt. Today I am heartbroken and that's why I resigned, Kejriwal added. Kejriwal further asserted that he only earned respect, don't even has a house of his own in Delhi. I will leave the CM's bungalow in a few days. I don't even have a house. I have earned only love in 10 years, the result of which is that I am getting calls from so many people asking me to take my house after the Sharad is over. At the beginning of Navratri, I will leave the house and come and stay at the house of one of you, he added. Launching a sketching attack on BJP, Kejriwal said, we were running the government honestly. We made electricity and water free, made treatment free for people, made education excellent. However, Modi ji started thinking that if he wanted to win against them, he would have to attack their honesty and then hatched a conspiracy to prove Kejriwal, Sisodia end up dishonest and but put each and every leader in jail. Kejriwal further asked the people in Janta Darbar whether they think he is honest or not. I want people to tell me if I am honest or dishonest. Would I be able to give electricity for free? Would I be able to build schools? I wanna know if people think I am the thief or if the people who put me behind bars are the thieves, Kejriwal said.